Mom, I'm recording it. I just like to record it.
On the southwestern and western side, where Jim Cantori is, he's getting sustained winds and dropping strong force there too. It just won't be on the strongest side. Jim, how's it looking to you there right now?
Dad, look, Mom. It's getting windy. Oh gosh.
Look at this guy. When you spend a
This
lot
is
of
terrible.
money on hurricane snacks, you start eating them before the hurricane.
Mom, why are they making jokes of it? They're gonna end up getting terrifying after all.
Cereal is